Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our third paycheck in July and breaking down our last paycheck in July. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. For our paycheck from July the 19th through July the 26th, in our expense category, we budgeted $325 for our phone bill, $37.55 for our meds, $7.62 for HP Inc., and $1.99 for Google storage. That came up to $372.16. In our extra category, we paid $325.60 on our phone bill, which was a difference of 60 cents, $37.55 on our meds, $7.62 on HP Inc., and $1.99 on Google storage. That came up to $372.76, which was a difference of 60 cents. We budgeted $490 in our cash envelopes, $350 in our sinking funds, $60 in our savings challenges, $20 in our extra backup money, and $150 in our backup funds. That came up to $1,070. In our extra category, we spent $448 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $42, $350 in our sinking funds, $60 in our savings challenges, $20 in our extra backup money, and $150 in our backup funds. That came up to a total of $1,028, which was a difference of $42. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,572.35, minus the expenses of $372.16, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenge of $60, minus the extra backup money of $20, and minus the backup funds of $150. That left a remainder of $130.19. In our actual category, our income was $1,572.35, minus the expense of $372.76, which was a difference of 60 cents, minus the cash envelopes of $448, which was a difference of $42, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenge of $60, minus the extra backup money of $20, and minus the backup funds of $150. That left a remainder of $171.59, which was a difference of $41.40. In our paycheck from July the 26th through August the 1st, in the expense category, we budgeted $960 for a mortgage, $160 for Chase, $120.69 for our homeowner's warranty, $115.52 for life insurance, $12.99 for Canva Pro, $12 for Google LLC, and $12 for Kindle Unlimited. That came up to $1,393.20. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $575 for our sinking funds, $140 for our savings challenges, $40 for our extra backup money. We didn't put anything in extra payment, and $150 for our backup funds. That came up to a total of $1,435. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $1,393.20, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the savings challenges of $140, minus the extra backup money of $40, and minus the backup funds of $150. That left a remainder of $33.25. So fam, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.